For my silver investors and my gold investors, I have good news for you. Or if you're a coin collector like myself, Morgan Dollars, 90% silver, 10% copper was minted in 1885 per my coin. If you're interested in coins and silver, you're going to love this video. But let's dive right into a company by the name of stock ticker AG, First Majestic, which is a mining company that has become a global juggernaut. Regarding anyone that's interested in acquiring gold, silver, or traditional stocks, you'll like this because you can actually acquire them and purchase their stock. I'll share the mining company that you can invest in that recently just reached new annual silver production record with a whopping 50 million ounces of silver produced in 2025. Those are alarming numbers, and this company's been a trailblazer regarding in the world of mining silver and gold. In recent years, First Majestic Silver has reported record or near record silver and silver equivalent production, driven by strong output across its Mexican mines and the acquisition of stakes in additional projects like Los Gatos. As mentioned previously, in 2025, First Majestic Silver Company produced over 50 million ounces of silver, a new annual record, and significantly increased quarterly output year over year. Let's dive in and explain our valuation proposition regarding First Majestic Silver, stock ticker AG, traded on the New York Stock Exchange. We build a 26 company portfolio by utilizing the alphabet letters A, B, C, D through the letter Z to select one company per each letter of the alphabet to create a diversified portfolio. Today, we have chosen letter F for First Majestic Silver, stock ticker AG, traded on the New York Stock Exchange. I'll share my Charles Schwab account with you. That way you can follow along as we build our 26 company portfolio. You can use any brokerage firm you feel comfortable with to make your investments. We prefer Charles Schwab. Watch us buy First Majestic Silver stock, and we just bought it. First Majestic Silver was founded in 2002. The original founder and the sole founder was a gentleman by the name of Keith Neumeyer, who is a Canadian entrepreneur who started the company in 2002 and has been its driving force since inception. First Majestic Silver is partially vertically integrated. Here's what that means for context. First Majestic Silver controls mining operations, which include owning and operating several silver and silver gold mines in Mexico. First Majestic Silver also controls the processing facilities where they process the ore at their own on-site facilities, which includes milling and refining. In addition, First Majestic Silver controls minting bullion sales that they produce and sell physical silver products, for example, bars, rounds, and coins, through their own mint. First Majestic Silver covers the full chain from extraction, processing, minting, sale. At least for some of their silver, they aren't fully integrated into all aspects of the market. For example, like retail jewelry. But for industrial and investment silver, they handle much of the value chain themselves. First Majestic Silver Corp does have subsidiaries and other operational holdings, mostly tied to its mining, processing, and bullion operations. Here's a clear breakdown of the following Mexican mining subsidiaries that First Majestic owns through Mexican subsidiaries. Examples include the following: La Encantada mine, San Dimas mine, Santa Elena mine, other Mexican subsidiaries for Los Gatos, La Pereda, and Del Toro projects. In addition, First Majestic Silver controls minting, bullion operations, which they operate their own mint, which produces silver bars, rounds, and coins for investment purposes. This is technically a subsidiary operation for the parent company. First Majestic has multiple mining subsidiaries and a minting operation, but it does not operate franchises, consumer brands, or unrelated companies. Its structure is tightly focused on silver and precious metal mining and production. First Majestic Silver has major growth and development priorities, which include the following 4 priorities. Mill and throughput expansion at Santa Elena. First Majestic plans to expand the Santa Elena processing plant to increase throughput to about 3,500 tons per day. This expansion is expected to support higher annual production and better economics. Number 2, increase mining at Los Gatos. The company is working to raise mine throughput at Cerro Los Gatos to 4,000 tons per day, improving production efficiency at this key mine acquired via Gatos Silver. Number 3, Navidad and Santo Nino discoveries known as Santa Elena district regarding First Majestic announced a high-grade gold and silver discovery at Santo Nino near the Santa Elena plant. Additional drilling is underway to expand this new zone. Studies and early-stage development continue on the Navidad discovery with potential to add future resources. Extensive Number 4 is extensive exploration programs. The company is committing to very high drilling programs across multiple assets with plans for hundreds of thousands of meters of exploration drilling in 2026 alone. This includes San Dimas, brownfield, and near mine targets to increase and convert resources. Santa Elena, new vein and extension targets, and many other district targets across its Mexican portfolio. Behind me is my wall of conviction, which goes into slight details, not very heavy like I usually have it. It was a pretty straightforward company. I could have made it more complex, but I just wanted to keep it real simple and easy and dry. Just First Majestic, stock ticker is AG. They facilitate mining and silver investments, extraction, processing, mining, minting. So this is pretty much vertically integrated. If you're a coin collector like myself, I collect coins as well. This is 90% silver and 10% copper. So 1885 Morgan dollar was minted in 1885, so it's over 100 years old. I love coins, and if you do too, it might be a company you might want to look at. But again, it's a pretty fun company. I'm gonna leave a wall of conviction. There's not much going on back. This is very light, intended to be. But anyways, that's kind of what we're going into. And you can review and compare your notes. We are not giving any type of advice. Always do your own due diligence. We're just showing you what hedge funds and investment firms don't show you. We highly recommend you review all publicly traded companies on the Securities and Exchange Commission's EGR website, where you can review stock company financial health by reviewing 10K reports, profits, debts, etc. I've listed the EGR tool website and other financial reports and records in this video description section for your review. Thank you for staying to the end. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share this portfolio. That way we can share the knowledge with the world. Ciao.